A very good morning, students. In today's session, we will go about Python. In previous class, we did Python fundamentals. So we will be covering further in the Python fundamentals. In last session, we saw what is Python, what are character sets, what are input outputs, how you are giving input output in Python. Then what are tokens? I have told you. What are keywords, identifiers? I have told you. Then I have told you about literals. Now we will be proceeding with what kind of literals are there basically. Literals are the words which you are giving in the form of string, integer to a particular variable. Okay, it can be float or special letters. Then these escape sequences there. These are your sequences, how a particular sequence will follow in the programming, such as double slash, single quotes, double quotes, or space character, or form feed, line feed. Okay. Then we are having operators. Operators are used to perform some operation through operands. Okay. So these are types of operators: arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, identity. So operators, if we talk about arithmetic operators, we are having plus, into, divide, modulus, okay, flow, division, exponent. So in modulus, you get the remainder. In flow division, you get the um, quotient part. In exponent, you have to raise the power of a particular number. Then moving to what are operators in relational operators term. So relationship means to compare the values. So double equal to is to compare two values. Not equal to is that when you are having two operands and you are using the operator not equal to, that means one operator is not equal to another, a not equal to b. Similarly, when two operators are there, when two operands are there, so if two operands are there and you want to check if they are greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, then you are having operator continuation. You are having assignment operators basically. Means if you want to assign some value to another variable, such as I want to assign the value of b into a, such as I want to add b into a, then I have to assign that summation part into the a part. Then I have to divide a divided by b and uh, add the get the result in b variable. Then a into b, multiplication of two variables, and then a minus b, then you will get the result in another variable a. So on, you can assign the operators basically. Then you are having continuation operator. In the operators, there are other operators such as logical operator. So logical operators is a and or not. And means when both the conditions are true, means x and y both are true, then you will get the true. Okay. Or operator is there when you are having two variables or two operands. Okay. When any one of them is true, so, or any one of them is false, so you will get true as a result. Okay. Not operator, if you want a particular um, if you want a particular variable such as a, reverse of a particular variable, okay, a reverse of a, whatever value is there. Okay, so in that sense you will get. Okay. Then coming to membership operator, how these membership operators are working. You have to check presence of a particular value in a particular sequence, such as if you want to check a particular value, such as if you want to check a particular value in particular list. Means list is your sequence, string is your sequence, tuple is your sequence, dictionary is your sequence. You have to check if that particular value is available in that list or not. So of course you will be using in operator. So in is your membership operator. Okay, not in means not in means the value is not available in that particular sequence, such as if you are using not in. So let's suppose here the program is a22 and list is this. Okay, you want to check that 22 is present in that list or not. Yes, 22 is present in this list, of course. Then if you want to check if 22 is not present in this list, you have to use not in list. So accordingly, it will generate true and false Boolean value. So A in list is true, so it will give you the true value, Boolean true. If A is not in the list because it is already available in the list, so it becomes false, then it will give you the false result. Coming to your identity operator. Identity operator is to check if two variables point to the same object. Let's suppose India is there, and if string 1 is pointing and string 2 is pointing to same variable, okay, or the data in that particular location on the memory, so it will generate true for that particular thing. Okay, so A is B, yeah, A is B. This is having same identity because if both are pointing to, say, you can see here string 1 India, string 2 India, so both are pointing to same thing. Okay, so in that way you will get the things in the B99. So B99 is not equal to India, so of course it will generate A and B have different identity. Okay, you can see both A and B has same identity when India. A and B is having different identity when India is not equal to 99. Okay, then coming to your punctuators, these are your punctuators, grammatical syntax of syntax used in your Python. So these are punctuation marks are used in your Python. And now we will see the bare bone of Python program. This is a Python program. It starts from a particular expression such as 820. I'm calling a proper sequence. Calling a particular function which is having nick and manager as in parameter. They will pass here as in key argument function parameter employee name, employee role, and it will print employee name, employee role. Then it will return, and return will come here, and it will print calling in the opposite sequence. If you want to call in the opposite sequence, so you have to give the value to that particular parameter, such as employee role, you have to give the value, manager, employee name, you have to give the value. Then you will pass those kind of values here. And of course, if you are passing the value in the particular proper parameter or proper parameter variable, so it will generate the proper sequence and it will return the result. So in this way, these things work in a particular Python program with a function definition, declaration, and all those things. Then Python has having different components such as expression, statement components, and functions, and block and indentation. We will go ahead all these, and we will see all these in your next class. And thank you for being here. Like, share, subscribe this channel, SIRTCS Computer Branch. I'm Dheeraj Mutiani signing off. We will meet in next class. Thank you very much.